Everybody, can you please stand up? Amir, can you kindly lead us a prayer? Amen. Good morning, class. How are you today? Very good, that's good to hear. Now, is everyone present today? Very good. Give yourself a round of applause. Very good. You're all present today. Now, before we proceed to our topic, I have here a classroom rules. First is that listen. When the teacher is talking or your classmate, listen attentively. Next, raise your hand if you have a question or if you want to excuse yourself in our class. And the last one, avoid noisy. Avoid noisy. Huwag makipag-chismis sa katabi. And participate in our activity. Now, is that clear? Very good. What's the first classroom rules that we have? Listen. Very good. The second one, raise your hand. Very good. And avoid noisy. The last, participate in our class. Now, have you still remember the last topic that we talk about last meeting? Sige nga, by Galia. What's the last topic that we have last meeting? It's about very good packaging. How about by Rafea? What do you think about packaging? Very good. According to Bayer Fea, she said that packaging is about processing of product and making the design of product. Very good. Now, I have here prepared a short video for you. All you have to do is to watch and observe what's the video being shown. Are you ready? Very good. Now, observe and watch the video what's being played. But first, I forgot, this activity is, the title of activity that we have first is that, watch me. Okay, this is the video. Everyone, listen. I am hearing a noise at the back. Okay.
Some gray. Let's learn to reuse our vermilion. And that is said, I'm a mix of orange and red. I am amber, that is my name, Iggy. So I'm a tertiary color made from orange and yellow. My name is chartreuse and I'm tertiary. I'm made from green and yellow. Yes, you can see I'm teal. I am tertiary too. I'm a dark color made from green and blue. My name is Violet, and I appear as a light purple, a tertiary color mix of blue and purple. I am magenta, a tertiary color of sin. Yeah, I'm made from
Quiet.
purple and red.
Near.
I'm cyan and white. Which color do you see? I am
Girls in the back.
that's not what I mean. I am indigo, the color similar to
Bello. Tinig.
this is true. I am light gray and a chromatic color that is right. I am made from mixing gray and white. My name is dark gray and I'm achromatic. I am a shade of gray made from gray and black. We're the advanced colors and we like to say that you're here to learn. A's in the
When you watched the video a while ago, what's the color rather? What's the color that you um, saw in the video by Galia? Okay, very good. You have saw the colors of yellow, green. Very good. How about the other color that you can saw in the video play? Yellow, violet. Very good. How about another color? There is many colors that we can saw in the video, right? Very good. Amir, what's the color that you saw in the video play a while ago? Gray, very good. Now, the colors that you have, that we saw in the video is that that is the some of the colors that we're going to talk about this day. That is our lesson that we are going to discuss. Now, I have here another activity that activity that you are going to make a group. This instruction. Make a group into three. Then each parts of the group provide pens and paper. Last meeting, I will announce you that you are going to bring pens and paper and other materials that we can use in our activity today. Now, next is then you are going to explore by making tertiary colors, mixing the primary and secondary color. Then afterward, each group make a lettering with the colors that they create. Now, do you understand? Meaning, you are going to mixing a color based on the colors that you bring today, like the watercolor or paint color. Then you're going to level it what color that you choose or mix together to create a new color. Now, let's start counting here. Okay, ito na gawin natin. Okay, here's the group 1, group 3, and the group 2. Group 1, group 2, and group 3. Now, I will give you a 5 minutes to mix a color together with your group. Okay, you can start now. Yes, by Galia. Okay, very good. You can mix here. You can choose what colors that you want together with your group. Also here and from the group 3. Time's up. Okay, stop your working or what you're doing. Okay. Okay, let's start here from the group 1. What's color that you create? Okay, red and orange. Can you level what's the color that you mix together? Red and orange. Very good. How about this group? Let's see what's the color that you create. A yellow green. Very good. Can you level the colors what you are mixing? Yellow and green. Very good. How about the group 3? What's the colors that you mix together to create a new color? Okay, red and violet. Very good. May I see? Okay, show to your classmates. Very good. Can you level it? Okay, very good. The violet and red. Very good. Give yourself a round of applause. Now, okay, first, before we proceed to our topic, let's read but before that, so that is the mixing, how to mix the uh, colors. Now, let's read our learning objectives. And 1, 2, 3, ready? And 1, 2, 3, read our learning objectives simultaneously. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, again, I will read our learning objectives. Our learning contents standard. You, the learners, you are expected to understanding of the shapes, colors, textures, and emphasis by variation of shapes and texture and contrast of colors through drawing of sculpture or craft. Our performance standards, you are learners, you expected to demonstrate basic skills in constructing a drawing of sculpture or craft using at least 3 tertiary colors. And our learning of competencies, produce creative work in drawing of sculpture or craft that believe as the 10. Now, that is our learning objectives. The topic that we have today is all about tertiary color. Class, are you familiar the tertiary colors? No. Now, today we are going to learn what are the tertiary color. So here. Okay, everybody can you read the definition of tertiary color? Thank you so much. Now, the tertiary colors, the combination of primary and secondary colors is known as a tertiary or intermediate colors. Okay. Tertiary color is made from the primary and secondary colors when it mixing together. As we can see, here's the primary colors: yellow, red, and blue. And the secondary colors is orange, violet, and green. Again, what's the primary color, class? Yellow, very good. Red, very good. Blue, very good. How about the secondary color? The secondary color, we have 3 colors. What does the secondary color? Okay, very good. Orange, violet, very good. Green, very good. So these are the secondary color. Now, today we are going to create the tertiary colors using this guidelines how to create it. So as you can see, this is the primary and secondary. And this is to make this on how to create this color from the tertiary. That is the activity that we're going to do by mixing the primary and secondary color to create the tertiary color. So first, I have here on how to do that. We should have prepared the materials to create a tertiary color. So I have here the materials. Okay. First is I have a toothbrush for use on how to mix the colors. And I have here a paint colors and water color. So I use a watercolor to create a tertiary color. Then I have here also a some of water. Kasi sa pag-mix na color, we need the water. So let's do on how to create a tertiary color. So Lagay ako dito ng konting tubig para matunaw yung water color. Ganon din sa orange kasi siya yung sunod na ating i-mix. We are going to mix the yellow color and the orange. So here's the thing. First, so I will put the yellow color first, this pepper. But first, let's see what's the color. Okay, yellow, that is the yellow color. Then, this is the orange. Now, we're going to combine it. The yellow and orange. First, the yellow. So this is the yellow color. As we can see that. And combine the orange. Let's see what's the result. Let's add a little bit of yellow color. Some water. Okay, yellow. Then another orange. Let's see what's the colors that they create. Now, as we can see, this is the color that when we mix yellow and orange. So this is the colors. As you can see naman, pareho sila. Diba? Ang kung ating titignan, iba rin yung kulay ni orange color kaysa dito sa naging result nila when we combine the yellow and orange. So this is the tertiary color, yellow and orange. Okay, next, let's create another. Okay, now let's do the next one, the red and orange naman. So again, ulit tayo, same process. Let's put some little bit of water para matunaw yung water color. Now, let's see what's the color. This is the red color. Then this is the orange. Now, we're going to mix it together. First, let's put the red colors. Let's add some of it. Then next, what's the next? Okay, orange, very good. Let's put the orange to combine the red color. Okay, let's add some little bit of red to see what's the result when it combines. And a little bit of orange. So this is it. Now, so when we combine the red and orange, very good. This is the colors that they create when we mix the red and orange. The red and orange. Once again, when we combine red and orange, what they create? Okay, very good. Red and orange. Now, so let's proceed to the next one. Who wants to volunteer? Who wants to try to mix the red and violet to create a tertiary color? Okay, by Galia, proceed in front and you can try. Oh, very good. You want to try. Very good. So, first you're going to put the red colors. Put a little little bit of water. Very good. Then, after the violet. Okay. Okay, put the little bit of water in the watercolors of violet. Then next, put it on in the pepper here. Okay, first you will put the red colors. A red color rather. Red color. Then after the violets. So we can see naman, when Galia mix the red and violet, the color that they mix together is create the red and violet. So this is the color. Very good. Give by Galia a very good clap. How would you do that? Okay, ganito yun siya class. In 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 claps. Then very good. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Very good by Galia. Okay, very good. Sige. Now next, who want to try again? By Rafea. Okay, very good. You want to try. Okay, blue and violet. Come in front and you're going to mix the blue and violet. First, you're going to put some little bit of water from the watercolor of blue. Then the violet color. Now, you're going to put first the blue rather, then mix it the violet color. Very good. As you can see naman, ito yung na-create when by Rafea mix the blue and violet colors. So this is the colors that she they create from the blue and violet when si Galia si Rafea rather yung mix it. So the blue and violet. How about the second to the last color? Okay. Maiman, very good. Come in front and let's try to mix the blue and green, no? How to make a blue green color from the tertiary. Okay, come in front. Okay, first you're going to put the blue colors, then mix the green color. Okay, very good. As you can see naman, so na-create when Maiman makes the blue and green color, the colors that he mixed together create a blue-green color. Very good. Give a round of applause from Rafea and Maiman. Very good. How about the last one? This yellow and green. Aizan, very good. Okay, Aizan, come in front and try to mix the yellow and green colors, no, to create the tertiary color of yellow and green. Now, first, you put the yellow colors first, then mix it the green color. Now, very good. As you can see naman, nakuha ni Aizan what's the yellow-green color from the tertiary. She put the yellow first, then mixed it the color green. Very good. Give ang galing-galing clap for this who tried to mixing the color to create a tertiary color. How to do that? Okay, first, clap 3 times and thumbs up by ang galing-galing. Okay. In 1, 2, 3 and say the name. Oh, nalimutan natin yun siya. In 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ang galing-galing. Sino yung nag-present? Aizan, by Rafea, Maiman, by Galia. What's the other? Okay, very good. Give yourself a round of applause. Now, do you understand now how to mix the colors? Not to create the tertiary colors. Very good. Again, what's the tertiary color that we have today? Okay. Aizan, yellow and orange. Very good. How about the other colors? What? Samara, red and orange. Very good. How about yellow, and green. Very good. Give yourself a round of applause. Now, now we understand now what the tertiary color that we have when we tertiary colors all about. It's okay. Very good, Bello. Or you say okay. The tertiary color is from the combination of what? The secondary. Oh, the primary and secondary colors. Very good. Again, what do you see? What the primary colors that we have? Oh, yellow, red, and blue. And another, the secondary, we have the what? Orange, violet, and green. Very good. Now, do you understand? Very good. Now, I have here a prepared activity for you. Are you ready? Very good. You are going to create by this. Create or make a drawing. So this activity is frame your fantasy. So here's the instruction. Listen, everyone. Made by Bello. Please sit properly. Okay, this is the instruction. Listen, everyone. Makinig. Okay. This is the individual activity. Draw a sculpture using at least 3 tertiary colors, incorporating different types and textures, different shapes and textures, and present your work to the class, explaining the color choices and technique. Within 15 minutes, you will pass your artwork. Now, you're going to draw a sculpture, then using at least 3 tertiary colors. It depends what colors that you want. Basta si tertiary color siya. Then, yes, tertiary color siya, incorporating, which is, makikita doon yung different shapes and textures na sa inyong drawing. Then after that, you're going to present your artworks, in our class, explaining the colors, colors that you choose, and what the technique that you have, or strategy or way, on how you create your artwork. So this is the materials that we need to use. Last meeting, again, I will announce your given instruction to you that you are going to bring this material so that we can, para magamit ninyo in our activity today. So this is the materials that we need, for your activity. First is color paints or watercolor can be, or brush, and 1/4 of illustration board. So this is the 1/4 of illustration board. Dito din siya i-drawing. Then next is water. Ito yun siya. Water. Everyone, nakadala ba? Very good. Meron bang lahat illustration board? Okay, very good. Okay, next is pencil. Okay, pencil. Ito yun siya. Sino may walang pencil, you can borrow it to me. Then, bond paper. Actually, it is optional, but if you first is kung meron kayong kung kailangan niyo ng bond paper, humingi lang kayo sa akin, Kasi yun, meron din iba na mag-scratch muna sila bago sila mag-drawing. So, you can use it. And for those who will not use bond paper, it's okay. Okay. So, do you understand? That's clear. Very good. Now, you can start your drawing. I give you 15 minutes to finish your drawing. Okay. Oh, I forgot our criteria rather. Listen muna. Listen. Makinig muna. So, the criteria that we have is that we have a creativity, how to make your drawing? Creativity ba siya? Yes. They give you 30%. And from the uniqueness, 25%, kakaiba ba siya? Yes. Wala ba siyang kapareho? Ganon. And neatness, yung cleanliness of your drawing. You have the 20% and your presentation of your drawing. You have got this 25% and a total of 100%. So you can start your work now. The time is running. Okay, ano yan kay Gadget? Okay. Okay, be quiet. Just do your work. Very good. Ay, dyan. Huwag makulit. Mag-focus sa yung drawing. Huwag maingay. Belo. Ayusin ang pag-upo. Very good. Yes, Rani. Meron kang tanong? Sa color. Okay. Sa color, makinig muna. Okay. Depende sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo i-color. Basta, ang gagamitin na color is nasa tertiary color siya. Okay. Okay. Understand? Okay. Naintindihan? Harani? Very good. Okay, you have 5 minutes left. I will extend 5 minutes to finish your drawing. Okay, time's up. Okay, stop what you're doing now. Okay, stop. Okay. Stop. Lagay ang kamay dito sa loob. Kailangan wala na akong makita mag-drawing. Okay, sige. Ngayon, una natin gagawin, linisin muna natin yung ating mga kalat. Ayusin natin yung mga materials na ating ginamit. Ilagay sa tamang lalagyan. Yes. At, okay, ilagay yung ating drawing sa gilid para hindi siya madumihan. Sige. Okay, I will count 1 to 10 to finish or to clean your mess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, malinis na? Very good. Now, the next natin gagawin is, sino yung gusto mag-volunteer to present their drawing? Okay. Tatlo dapat. Okay. Okay, very good. Aizan, nag-volunteer siya. Isa pa. Okay, Harani, very good. Isa pa. Okay, Velo, now go to front and present your drawing. First, si Aizan muna yung una mag-present ng kanyang drawing. Sige, dito ako. Pagilid. Sige. Okay, you can start now. Sit in front. Okay, very good. Next, Velo. Oh, si Harani pala. Sige, Harani. Okay, very good. Give a round of applause of Harani and Aizan. And Velo, present now. You can start. Okay, very good. How about next group? Next three presenter. By Gandia and by Rafea and Maiman, go to front and present yours. Okay, mauna is si by Gandia. Very good. Give them a round of applause. Okay, the last three presenter. Go to front and present yours. Si yan siya, si Amir, sino ba yung hindi to? Samara, and by Elia. Go to front and present your answer. Ang mauna is si Amir. Okay, very good. Makinig. Quiet, everyone. Sige na, you can start, Amir. Okay, very good. Give them a round of applause. Very good. Now, do you enjoy our activity today? Very good. Now, lahat ng drawing nyo ay ilagay dito sa aking table. Sige. Isa-isa lang muna. Sige. Okay. Ngayon, I have here some questions that I will ask you regarding your creating your drawing. Here's the question. First, what colors did you like the most in your artwork and why? Sige daw, who wants to answer it? By Rafael. Very good. You raise your hand. Sige. Oh, you like the yellow and orange and what? Red and orange also. Very good. Why? Oh, it represents your behavior. Oh, very good. And your mother's like color. Very good. Now, what next question? Give Rafea a round of applause. Okay, next question is, what did you find hard in your drawing? Who wants to answer it? Oh, Amir. Raise your hand. Okay, sige daw. Oh, nahirapan ka sa pag-mix ng color. Ganun pala din siya. So, doon ka nahirapan, no? To create a tertiary color. Actually, nalito rin na but you can consider that naman. She created more colors, no? Aside from the colors that we have today about the tertiary color. Very good, Amir. So, that is all for today. Now, did you understand what's this tertiary color? What is the tertiary color that we all about? Okay, tertiary color known as tertiary or intermediate colors. Very good. So what is the tertiary color that we have today? Okay, yellow, orange. Very good. Red and orange. Very good. Okay, red and violet. Very good. Blue, violet. Blue, green, and yellow, green. Very good. You did not forget. Now, get 1/2 sheet of paper. No? We have a quiz. So this is your quiz. Get 1/2 sheet of paper. Okay, meron na bang lahat 1/2 sheet of paper? Okay, very good. So this is the direction your quiz. Enumerate the 6 tertiary colors that we have today. Okay, 2 points each. I will give you a 5 minutes, no, to answer. Okay, enumerate the 6 tertiary colors that we have today. Are you done? Sige. Papers up. Now. Mula sa likod, papunta sa harap, ipasa na ang papel. Kailangan nasa kamay ko na. I will count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. At kailangan nasa kamay. Very good. Okay. Very good. Sige. Before we end our class today, I have here a assignment to you. So here, your assignment. Your assignment. Find, this is the direction. Find 3 examples of tertiary colors in your home or community and draw them, then leveling the colors. Write in a short bond paper and submit it at next meeting. This is the 15 points. So you're going to find the 3 tertiary colors that you can see in your home or in your community. And you're going to draw it. Draw it and leveling the colors that you saw in that to your home, no? What the colors that is it? What the colors that? Then you're going to submit it next meeting. This is the 15 points. Okay, that's clear. Okay, very good. Now, everybody, please stand up. Goodbye, class. Okay, goodbye, class, and God bless you. Okay, see you next meeting.